Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this device. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down. Now click on System and Updates over here, select Language and Input, select your keyboard, and finally Input over here. Misclick. Lastly, click on this blue switcher next to autocorrection, and as you can see after that, automatic text correction is off. But you can always turn it back on by tapping on the same, now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!